Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Notion's brand new Charts with Mermaid feature, a super handy tool that lets you create beautiful flowcharts and diagrams right inside your Notion pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn blocks of simple text into interactive visual charts in just a few clicks. This is going to save you tons of time, whether you're mapping out team structures, planning workflows, or just want to make your Notion workspace pop. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need is the code for the chart or a diagram that you want to visualize. In my case, I already have the code prepared to show a basic organizational chart, but if you don't worry. You can easily replicate or edit any chart as you go. Mermaid uses a pretty straightforward syntax. For example, a flowchart of a team might look something like this. Graph TD, CEO, CO, CTO, CTO. CEO, CFO, CFO, CTO, Dev 1, Developer 1, CTO 2, CFO, AC 1, Accountant. Each line tells Mermaid how to connect different roles within the organization, making it super intuitive after you try it out once or twice. So let's get this brand new feature going in Notion. In your Notion page, simply type the / command like this, Mermaid. As soon as you start typing Mermaid, Notion's quick menu should pop up with the option Code. Mermaid, go ahead and select that. You'll notice Notion inserts a new code block that's specifically designed for Mermaid diagrams. This is important. Using the regular code block won't give you the interactive chart rendering you're looking for. Make sure you're choosing that Mermaid option so Notion knows to create a chart, not just display the code. Now at this point you have two options. If you already have some Mermaid chart code ready like I do, you can just copy and paste it right into the Mermaid block. That's what I'll do here. I'll paste the organizational chart code I mentioned earlier. But don't worry if your code isn't perfect the first time. If it doesn't look quite right, just go back to your block and tweak it. Notion will automatically update the visual chart in real time as you make changes. It's a bit like building with Lego bricks. Move things around, connect the dots, and see your structure appear before your eyes. And that's really all there is to it. The second you paste your code in, Notion automatically renders a beautiful flowchart right inside your workspace. You can edit the chart on the fly, expand it, or even add more nodes and connections. It's a fantastic way to present complicated data at a glance, whether you're working solo or sharing your Notion page with a team. If you followed along, you should now have a sleek, customizable chart live in your Notion page, powered by Mermaid. Not only does this new feature spice up your docs, but it also makes communicating ideas so much clearer. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Those really help out the channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions or want tips on more advanced Mermaid charting. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Notion tutorials just like this one. Until next time, happy charting!